Tips and tricks for growing your audience quickly. Social media platforms are huge marketing tools, and if you want to get noticed in the crowd of millions of users, you need to make sure your content stands out. As a freelance social media manager, finding ways to grow your audience quickly and efficiently is important. Here are some tips and tricks that'll help get your content seen by more people. Use relevant hashtags. Hashtags are a great way to join conversations and make your content more discoverable. When creating posts, choose keywords that your target audience is likely to be searching for, as well as popular industry-specific tags. It will help you reach more people interested in what you're offering. Engage with other users. Not only should you be engaging with your followers, but networking and reaching out to influencers in your industry is essential for growing your audience quickly. Post consistently. You want to be sure that you are regularly posting content, as this will help build your audience and keep them engaged with your brand. Try creating a content calendar that outlines what kind of posts you plan on making and when they should be posted for maximum reach. By implementing these strategies, you can become a successful freelance social media manager and grow your audience quickly. You must develop an effective social media strategy and ace social media marketing. Remember that social media channels are the best way to discover, build trust, and engage with potential customers. Don't let your hard-earned money fall into the wrong hands. Protecting your assets is crucial whether you're pursuing a career or investing. In cryptocurrency investments, one of the most important steps you can take is to ensure your digital assets are stored securely. That's where hardware wallets come in, physical devices that provide offline storage and protect your funds from potential online threats. Keep your investments safe and secure with this trusted hardware wallet we highly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Learn more. Don't gamble with your hard-earned digital assets. Keep them safe and sound with Ledger Wallets, the ultimate solution in storing and securing your cryptocurrencies. With top-notch safety features and unrivaled reliability, you can invest with peace of mind knowing your assets are always safe. Don't wait any longer. Check out Ledger Wallets today and experience ultimate security for your cryptocurrencies. To learn how to become a content creator, check out our previous video.